Everyone, how are we doing? Just want to say hi to us. Today, Friday, is 4 days. That is, today is 18, sorry. It is 4 days to our, 3 days to our 8th or 7th year, completion of our 7 years in priesthood. And it's a thing of joy for us, myself and my group. 2018 said, I wish to ask us to pray for us on that day, on the 21st of this month. And although I'm very far from them, but wherever we are, we celebrate. I just is a call for prayers so that this mighty gift that God has given us, unworthy vessels, and to be able to use it to serve God and serve humanity. It's very important. So I hope that you're having a wonderful day. Now here is around 9:16. Just finished morning mass. You know, here they don't have mass in the early morning that they used to. Rather, they have it. Much later, but that is good anyway. So everyone, have a wonderful day, dear. Have a wonderful day. If you are here, please say hi. I have seen one person who is around. You can say hi so that we greet you. All right. Well, have a wonderful day, dear.